Hello guys, this is Gayatri Negi and I'm an intern in Lexus and Company watching Lexus Click. In this video, I will talk about duties and rights of a partner in limited liability partnership. First, you need to know what is a LLP or an LLP, limited liability partnership. So it comprises of a partnership formed and registered under Limited Liability Partnership Act 2008, which is an alternative company business form that provides the benefit of limited liability of a company as well as the flexibility of partnership. The LLP could hold its existence irrespective of changes in partners. It is able to step into contracts and holding property in its name. The LLP, separate lawful entity, is legally responsible towards the full extent of its assets. However, legal responsibility of the partners is limited to the agreed contributions inside the LLP. Furthermore, no partner is liable owing to the independent or unauthorized actions of any other partners. Therefore, individual partners are protected from joint liability created by another partner's wrongful business decision or wrongdoing. So, coming to the general duties of partners in a limited liability partnership, partners are obliged to carry on the commerce of LLP towards the common benefit, to be fair and faithful towards one another, and to render true accounts and complete information of all matters affecting the company to any partner. Then they have also duty towards indemnifying for fraud. Every partner for an LLP is required to indemnify the LLP for any losses caused by it by fraud in the conduct of the business of the firm. Now coming to the rights of partners in an LLP. So rights of partner could be each partner has a right to participate in the conduct of business of the LLP. Each partner is obliged to attend diligently to their responsibilities in the conduct of business of an LLP. Any difference that arises because of the ordinary matters related with their business might be decided through a majority of the partners, and every partner is required to have the right to express their views prior to the matter decided. Each partner has a right to have access as well as towards inspecting and copying the book of accounts of LLP. When a partner dies, their heirs or legal representatives would have the right to access, inspect as well as copy of the books accounts of the LLP. So this was all about rights and duties from my side. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching.